As promised, I'm coming to you today from a commercial property located in Carroll County, Maryland. We are finishing up replacing a 10,400 square foot GAF rubberoid torch down rubber membrane roofing system. This is one of many commercial properties we have completed in the Maryland and Pennsylvania area. Homecrafters is not just known for its residential roofing, but for its commercial roofing also. We additionally provide seamless gutter installations, which we cut and install right at your location. Check out our over 1,500 Google reviews. Hope to serve you soon.